everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. In today's video I'm going to be doing this winged liner, this glittery foil winged liner. Let's see how I created this look. Please continue to watch and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be using Danessa Myricks Color Fix. This is the color Blackout and I'm using a Prados brush. This is just like a small kind of curved brush. I use a palette. You can use the back of your hand. I'm just going to put a very little dab. A little goes a long way. These are so good. They're waterproof. They're amazing. Just load up my brush. And I'm going to go into the inner membrane. You can use a black liner if you like, because that's tested for this area. I'm not sure if this product is tested for this area. So I just rimmed the inner membrane, and now with the same brush I just loaded up a little bit more. I do a little bit at a time and then I build up the opacity so that it's not so overwhelming, and if I mess it up it's easier to fix. I don't want it to be a really hard line, so I'm just kind of smudging it with the side of my finger. You can use a small brush, but just underneath, pull that out in the outer corner, and then I start in the center of the eyelid, and I'm just going to pull this out to create a wing. It's okay if it's not absolutely perfect, because you are going to be putting that other product, the shine, so you won't see if you mess up. Loaded a little bit more on my brush. I'm keeping it really close to the lash line. My cat is playing. I'm keeping it more smoky, so I want a little bit more opacity towards the outer corners. Simple. Now I'm going to wait for that to dry. The Color Fix, I've never used a product underneath gloss that didn't move or transfer until I started using these. They really are waterproof. But since I didn't put anything down on my lid or in my crease, I am going to take a little bit of my face powder. This is just a transparent powder. And I'm just applying a little bit around the liner and onto my lid and into my crease and underneath. This will help a little bit more from it moving around, just because your natural oils tend to break down the makeup, and that's why you get like the smudging. This will just help that, because you also are wearing mascara, so you won't get that transfer. Now I'm going to go in with this. This is the Danessa Myricks Twin Flames in the color Bay. And you can use a small brush to apply it. I'm just going to go in with the applicator, and I'm just pressing it right onto the liner that I just put down. And same on the top. Just keep it really close to the lash line. It's such a beautiful, like, foiled effect. And you can really build up the shine. I'm keeping it pretty sheer, but the Twin Flames, I can't say enough about these products. They're so good. Go in with KKW Beauty Nude 2. I just do a thin line, oh, no, not too thin. And a little bit above my natural lip line, and then I smudge it to give it like a blurred effect, because I don't always like a really tight lip liner. This color is called Crystal. It's by Maybelline. Such pretty gloss. Oh, there you have it. This is just a really quick, easy, fun, kind of glittery foil effect liner. Adds a little bit of color. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this from me, please like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. And let me know in the comments if you've tried this, or if you have any other suggestions that you would like me to cover. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much. Bye.